I'm neck deep in my goals, reviews, and plannings and things. And I saw an email from someone, and in that email, they asked, do your actions match your goal? And it's such a good time to ask ourselves this question. Are the day-to-day actions that we take directly aligned with what we want? I truly want to finish writing this book that I've been working on for so many years, but is it in the forefront of my mind every single day? And if I'm being honest, it's not been so for at least the past 6 months. Yes, there have been things, very valid things that have been a priority, and that's life. But in the seasons that I do have time and the creative space, am I making the most of it? I say my goal is to finish writing this book, but on a daily basis, I almost always put my book as a third or sometimes even the fourth priority in my list of to do things. And realistically, who is even getting past their second priority on their to-do list these days? I wasn't actively looking into my calendar and making room for my writing until the past month. So what did I do with this great realization? Not every day looks the same for me, but most Mondays look the same and most Tuesdays look the same. You get the idea. So I made a writing schedule based on the days of the week. Scheduled it into my Google Calendar and set 3 reminders. The day before, the day off, and 10 minutes before I had scheduled the time, sort of, a warning to get myself into my writing chair. The second thing that I did was at the end of my writing day, the last writing session, I leave myself little notes to remind myself what I was thinking about in the story and where I left off, what I want to continue the next day in a sentence or two. Mostly it's just a collection of random words. It probably won't make sense to others, but it makes sense to me, and they are cues to remind me what I'm going to do next. I'll continue this for the next quarter and will report back how I did with this. And I want to challenge you to look at your goals, whatever it is, whether you are working on a book or not. Take stock of what you've been doing, what are your actions every day, and what's working, what's not working, and have your daily actions reflect the goal that you have in mind. I'd love to hear what your goals are and what are some of the steps that you're willing to take to achieve your goals. Let me know in the comments. And if you're done writing your book and you need a little help with self-editing, watch this next video and I'll see you in the next one.